Welcome to MyQuest. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Group Share and Resources folder in a collaboration and assessment group. These tools allow teachers to quickly organize and share supplementary materials that can be easily reused with multiple groups. We'll also discuss how to enable students to upload and share their own content with the group in a moderated, blended learning environment. For this tutorial, we're going to assume that you've already created a group. We're going to add resources and a group share folder for our existing 8th grade English class. On the Groups tab, we'll choose our English class, and then we'll click on Settings. Since the resources and group share folders are collaborative features, we want to first make sure that the group is set as a collaboration and assessment group. We can check this on the Settings page under Type. If we needed to change the group's type, on the left-hand menu, we'd click Type, then choose Collaboration and Assessment, and then check out as normal. Back on the Settings page, under Workspace Options, we'll choose Resources. On the Resources page, we'll want to make sure that both the Resources page and the Group Share folder options are enabled. Then we'll go through the checkout process for the group. What we're going to do now is to create a resource folder of supplemental material that we can share with our various groups. Resource folders, like activities, are accessed from the library, and they can be assigned to as many different groups as you like. On the Library tab, we'll select Resource Folders from the left-hand Library menu. We can now create a new folder. We'll call ours American Novelists. Using the Upload File button, we can add as many files and as many file types as we like inside our resource folder. Uploading content is similar to attaching a file to an email. Click Attach File, locate the file on your local computer, then click Open. Give the file a name and an annotation if you like, then click Done. To create another resource folder, we can click the Create Folder icon on the left-hand menu and repeat the process. Files can be removed from a resource folder by clicking the Delete button, and you can use the Copy To and Move To button to move files from one folder to another. When you're done adding files to your resource folder, click the Show in Groups button and choose the groups you want to make the resource folder available to. We'll give this to our 8th grade English class, then click Save. Let's take a look at this from the student's perspective. Logging in as our student Philip, on the Groups tab, we'll go to our 8th grade English page. From here, we can click Resources, and we'll see the contents of the American Novelists resource folder is now available. Philip can now click the download icon and view the files or save them to his local computer. He can switch between different resource folders in the group by clicking on the folder down arrow and choosing another folder. Though Philip has access to files through the resource folder at any time, once the teacher has shared them, Philip has read-only permissions, which means that he can only download content. Philip is not able to delete or change the files his teacher made available, which means that his teacher won't have to worry about students accidentally modifying anything in the folder. Just remember to think of resource folders like you would activities and assignments. They're assigned from the library by the teacher, and students can view them, but they can't modify them. We're now going to take a look at the Group Share folder. A Group Share folder is an optional feature, and you'll recall that we already enabled it in the settings of the group at the start. Once enabled by the teacher, the Group Share folder allows students to upload their own files to share with other members of the group. Philip can access his Group Share folder the same way he accesses resource folders. This time he'll just select Group Share from the down arrow instead of one of the other folders. Unlike teacher-created resource folders, the Group Share folder allows Philip to upload his own files to the group. He does this by simply clicking the Upload File button, clicking Attach File, locating it on his machine, then giving it a title and clicking Done. He can upload as many kinds of files as he wants. After uploading the file, Philip will see a message telling him that his upload is pending approval from his teacher. Like posts, the teacher can control and moderate all student submissions to the Group Share folder, and no one else will be able to see Philip's file until it's been reviewed. Since we've set our group to moderate all submissions, let's log back in as a teacher and show you how this works. From the 8th grade English group, on the Resources page, I can choose the folder down arrow and see all submissions in the Group Share folder. Just like posts, these two submissions from Philip are now pending my approval. I can download and review the files, and then give them a thumbs up or down as needed. Submissions given a thumbs up are immediately published to the group share folder and become available to all members of the group. Submissions that are thumbed down are deleted from the group and don't get published. After thumbing down a post, you'll see a Moderate Post dialog box, which will prompt you to either remove the post or remove and reject it. Posts that are removed are simply not published and are deleted from the moderation queue. Posts that are removed and rejected are flagged for inappropriate content and are logged in the system so that teachers can monitor and intervene if they see recurring behavioral problems. Now that you know the ins and outs of using the group share and resource folders in a collaboration and assessment group, you'll be able to quickly create and share folders with supplementary materials that you can then reuse with multiple groups. You're now also ready to enable group share folders, which allow students to upload and share their own content with a group in a moderated, blended learning environment. We hope you enjoy these features. Thanks for using MyQuest.